You may not have known that it is possible to plan a funeral, memorial, or cremation in advance. Many people plan ahead in life. They plan for expected as well as unexpected life events. Ironically, funeral pre-planning is for both the expected and the unexpected. Planning ahead for the only guarantee in life.
The moments after hearing that you have passed, your family will be distraught and grief-stricken. It will be hard enough to make even a simple decision, much less plan a funeral service they will feel good about, honors, and does justice to the life that you've lived. They will be experiencing tremendous pressure and stress. Planning ahead, recording your final funeral wishes, not only ensures they will be implemented, but will ease any emotional and financial burdens that fall on loved ones at the time of loss. Here's what you can do now to spare your loved ones the added grief of not knowing your final wishes for burial or a service. Gather the following items and place them in a file folder, whether a physical one or a digital file. Make sure your family members know where to find it when the time comes. If you wish, these steps can be done alone or together with loved ones. It need not be a maudlin task. It can actually be a meaningful and rewarding time spent together. The folder of information you create will be a gift to those who love you most at one of the most difficult times of their lives. Once you've collected this information, you can tuck it away with your life insurance, will, and any other important documents. In the video description is an AARP link to very helpful information on organizing financial records. Photo. Would your spouse or child pick the photo you would choose of yourself for the newspaper or memorial service program? Pick a photo you like. Your story. Nobody knows your story better than you. Don't leave it to your family to get the facts right. As we age, sometimes even our spouses won't always remember what year we graduated from high school, our job titles, or other details of our stories. You don't have to write the full obituary, but at least leave the family the key points for which you'd like to be remembered. Burial plans. Talk about where your final resting place might be. Purchase the plot now so your family won't have to guess. Over the years, there's been many a discussion among couples over their final resting place. For example, each wanting to be buried in his or her own place of birth, this state, or that state. Don't leave such important decisions such as this to grieving family members to figure out. Family disagreements are avoided when family members know exactly what you want and will experience greater peace knowing that they are honoring your final wishes. Having a list of friends, family members, and others to be contacted upon your death will save your family time and certain anguish. Put that list together. Funeral service preferences. What would you like loving friends, family, colleagues to hear and know about you when they gather to celebrate your life? Funerals and memorial services are in large part to comfort the living, but make your wishes known so the event will reflect your unique life. Who would be a good eulogist? Choose people who know you in different ways so more of your interesting life can be reflected. Choose people you believe to be confident speakers. Note any of your favorite music to be played, favorite poems or religious passages.
My name is Donna, and I'm a little different from the other folks here. I generally work with people to plan ahead. It's inevitable that everyone will need a service like we offer, so I'm very happy to be out in the community. I have everything planned for myself already, and the reason being is that I saw a lot of things happen to people that didn't plan.
Monarch Funeral Home's licensed funeral directors Bill Savino and Karen Swab are always available to you for guidance and support in this most stressful and difficult time.